Yeah, nimekuja mbele ya Wakenya nikitaka pia kuongea na Ruto kama president wa nchi hii na pia Gachagua. In fact, mchezo wenyu umeenda mbali sana wa kudanganya Wakenya. Kwanza, kitu ya kwanza nitasema it's a shame that we can choose to be telling Kenyans lies, right, left. We have even forgotten that we have visitors in politics who are popularly known as Gen Z. Wakati mwingine mnanishangaza, and I think this time wacha niongee Kiswahili na Kizungu nikichanganya, because you two have become shameless, telling Kenyans without even blinking your eyes and without caring. At least some of us are even feeling for Kenyans. One, I want to put it this way, because that is how the record is. Gachagua's new party was registered long time ago. He's just waiting for the party to be launched. But it was registered long time ago. I know that. And I have those facts. And there's no way Gachagua would have registered a party and then at the same time continue being in UDA. Gachagua was expelled from UDA as a matter of procedure. And I need to educate you Kenyans. Because the moment Gachagua was expelled as deputy leader of UDA, that is the same time he left UDA. He was expelled. We know these things because we have been there and we know the procedure. And because of hiking emotions, because he feels he wants to hike those Kenyan emotions, he's nowadays telling a lot of lies, the same as Ruto. And Kenyans, be careful. I've told you so many times, be careful. This is gambling with Kenyans' life. And let me tell you, both of you, in fact, no Kenyan is ready to fight another one because of you both. Fanyeni sarakasi zenyu. Yeah, mpaka wengine nilisikia huyu mkubwa wa Ruto anaitwa Faruku akisema wamejawa na mashetani. And I think that is what is eating you. Actually, you are being cornered. Stop wasting Kenyans' time by telling lies, just like the ones which were going on when UDA was conducting its campaigns before for 2022 elections. You won through those lies, both of you. And now you think you're going to win again through those lies. I've registered a party by the name of Democratic Development Party of Kenya. And as its leader, I know the procedures. So Gachagua, stop these things. Again, I wonder, when you told people about Nyachai, you told Kenyans about Nyachai, that Nyachai was number one in that interview. Are you sure you are telling Kenyans the truth? Because the moment you be elected, benefiting from those lies, you'll still continue taking Kenyans for granted if you can be elected. And I doubt. Because in the first place, you have to be cleared by the court. I've no grudge with you, Gachagua, but remember your behaviors from the word go. From stealing Uhuru's goats and sheep and burning the land. Yeah? Fighting business Kikuyu people